So what's up, folks? Good. Today I'm dealing with what I call giving directions of how in the Jiro. We are still on our Runyankore language series, and before we start on our today's presentation, I want to show you something good that you wanna know. So first of all, go to YouTube and type in "Learn It with Dennis." You're gonna see a lot of cool stuff, and when you get our videos, okay, type in host Dennis on YouTube. Just okay, it's already here. Type in host Dennis, and then they are going to bring you a lot of cool stuff. So you gonna, what do? Subscribe. Okay, this is the one. Learn It with Dennis. So what do? Subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, and we shall be with you. Then go to Google Play Store, go to apps, search, and again type in the name Mohos Dennis. And after typing in Mohos Dennis, you'll find a lot of cool stuff, novels, applications that you'd want to read that have very interesting and powerful stories, and we got you covered in everything that you want. So it is compatible with your device. It is a download once and use many times, so no need to waste your data at any time. This novel is very nice, and Us in the Land of Idiots, very beautiful comic book. Betray in the City, very beautiful comic book. African Child. I guarantee you, if you read this novel and you don't feel attachment, you don't feel emotional, you don't feel like God is always on your side, then you have to read this novel. It's a very touching novel. Then The River Between Shekatabas. This is one of the best literature from Ankole. Very beautiful. You can't afford to miss it. And now let me take you straight to the lesson. So Okwenda Jiriro Runyankore. 1. We have the left hand, which is emotion. Like here, this part and this part. Where my cursor is, this is emotion. This is left. And here is right, where I have put. So we have Bumosho. That is the left side. So if one said is the left side, say Bumosho. Then the right, Buryo. Sorry that this is supposed, this eye is not there. So Umukono wa Bumosho, that is the left side or the left hand. Are you getting? Get me? Okay, let's go on. Cool, let's push on. Let's right. Cool. Okay. Now, a hand. We come here. Tora. Heta. Chikama. Bumosho. So, to turn or to go is Tora. Torehi. Tora Bumosho. That is go left. Buryo. That is the right hand side. So who can tell me Omukono wa Buryo? That is the right side. So Omukono wa Buryo is the right side. Tora Buryo, that means go right or turn right. Okay? We have a word called Yemerera. 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 That is to stand or to stop. You get it? Yes. Yemereza emotoka. Stop the car. Yemereza emotoka. So if you are driving and then I tell you Yemereza emotoka. Emotoka is a car. Yemereza emotoka. So stop the car. Yemereza omukono. That is like lift up your hand. So if your hand was down here, like here, then you want Yemereza omukono, you will lift it up here. Okay? Then I have another word that is called Yemereza omukono gwa buryo. Lift your right hand or raise your right hand. You get it? Yemereza omukono gwa bumosho. How is that? Yemereza omukono gwa bumosho. Lift your left hand. Okay? Kale. Now we go next. they stop you on the stop, and then these words are in Runyankore. Ibyo bigambo biri omu Runyankore. Wawe ruga Kampala orukuza Mbarara, Kabale, Bushenyi, Fort Poto, Okokwe, Kasese, ogwo muhanda ogwana ngutora hamwe. Kamwenje, Ibanda, Isinjiro. So if these police stop you and he sees maybe you know Runyankore, but actually they know English, bona bamanyo Runyankore, bamanyo Rujungu, sorry. Oh, reta driving permit yawe. Reta driving permit yawe. So that means like bring your driving permit, because yawe means your. Reta is bring. Reta mizi, bring water. Reta sente, bring money. Reta enku, bring firewood. Reta ebitabo, bring books. Reta laptop, bring the laptop. So this word reta means bring. Bring. So nyoreka, that is show me. Nyoreka muhanda, show me the way. Nozai, where are you going? Okay, Chirinka. I had written it, but I forgot here. There is Norugankahi. Where are you coming from? Where do you come from? So I forgot to write the word like Nozahi, Nozankahi. That is where are you going? Okay, Okuruga. Okuruga means to come from, and when you see in the Bible, the first book is called Genesis, and that is Okuruga, means from origin. Where do you come from? That is Okuruga. Nikura ure wabo ryo mu cyacu bakagira ngo ekicoka cyo kubanza kirogo mu kuruga umukitabo cyo kuruga. Okuruga means where you coming from, the genesis of the very point that you came from. That is Okuruga. We have another one. Then you reply Ninduga Kampala. Or you say Ninduga America. Okay. Ninduga Mbarara. Oryo munyambarara no mugamba ki ningambaje. Okay, they are asking you, how are you? Orireje sebo ego ndireje. Oryo munyambarara ego ndyo munyambarara. I'm coming from America. Yeah. Aho wagamba ti wagira ngo ninduga America. Aho ibirabona bavya yiyongera. Yego Kampala. No, Kampala. Wo wanoza Bushenyi tindiga Kampala. Uburyo wa man. Konko waje tindiga America no wa man mnonga. Buryo mwena nakore waje aba America abagini. N'abantu barungi n'abantu aba barungi biza kutayira, biza kutureba. Namanya ngo utembera inyonyi konko akampara namangwisha na bus. So wisha nenyonyi n'uwisha na bus. Wisha nenyonyi nabaryo umuntu w'amani. I'm meaning the one who came with an aeroplane. Aeroplane is called enyonyi. Okay. So najirangu nozahi, nozankai. Where are you going? Nozahi. Then you say Ninza Mbarara. Okay. Gumizamu misho. Gumizamu then omumisho. Omumisho means front. Stamo misho, sit in front. Stamenyuma, sit behind. Okay. Assuming you want to take the person to guide you. So tell him stamo misho sebo. Yabari mukazi, stamo misho nyabo. Shutama, sit. That is shutama. Okushutama means to sit. Shutamo misho. Enyuma. Garuka enyuma. Hinduka enyuma. Hinduka is like turn. Ya muntu yabana batoroko kamija hinduka. Meaning you have to turn around. Garuka enyuma. It's like you are telling him to use a reverse, but come back. Garuka enyuma. Gendo misho, go in front. Genda ogumizamo misho, okay?